Fleming Island is known for its family-friendly neighborhoods, beautiful parks, and lively community atmosphere. But with that energy comes something many homeowners struggle with: noise. Whether it's traffic from US 17, active nearby schools, or evening gatherings in close-knit communities, unwanted sound can easily find its way into your home. Thankfully, noise-reducing door replacement solutions can transform your living space into a peaceful, comfortable retreat without compromising style or security. Why noise reduction matters for Fleming Island homes: peace and quiet are more than luxuries. They're essential for relaxation, focus, and family well-being. Constant exposure to noise can make it harder to concentrate, disrupt sleep, and even increase stress levels. Many Fleming Island homes were built with hollow core interior doors or older exterior doors that simply don't block enough sound. Replacing these with sound-reducing doors helps create a calmer indoor environment. You'll enjoy a noticeable difference in comfort, especially if your home is near busy roads, playgrounds, or popular community areas like Eagle Harbor or Fleming Island Plantation. The science behind noise-reducing door soundproofing isn't just about thicker doors, it's about smarter design. Noise-reducing doors are engineered with materials and seals that stop sound waves from traveling through gaps and thin surfaces. They're rated using Sound Transmission Class, STC, which measures how effectively a door blocks noise. STC 25 to 30. Standard interior doors, minimal noise reduction STC 35 to 40. Solid core doors, significant noise reduction STC 45 to 50. Acoustic or soundproof doors, ideal for high noise areas. For busy Fleming Island neighborhoods, doors with an STC rating of 40 or higher offer the best protection from outdoor and household noise. Top noise-reducing door replacement options: solid core interior doors. Most homes come with hollow core interior doors that allow sound to pass easily between rooms. Upgrading to solid core doors made from dense materials like composite wood or MDF dramatically improves sound insulation. These doors are perfect for bedrooms, home offices, and media rooms where peace and privacy are priorities. Their weight and structure block everyday sounds like conversations, televisions, and running appliances, ideal for families with different schedules or remote workers. Acoustic doors for maximum quiet. For homeowners who want superior noise control, acoustic-grade doors are the gold standard. These doors combine multiple sound dampening layers, including dense cores, metal sheets, and specialized insulation. When paired with tight seals and professional installation, acoustic doors can reduce noise from nearby traffic or loud outdoor activities to a whisper. They're an excellent investment for homes near busier parts of Fleming Island or for anyone who values a serene environment. Insulated fiberglass and composite entry doors. Exterior noise can be just as disruptive as indoor sounds. For entryways and patio doors, insulated fiberglass or composite models are ideal. These materials resist vibration, minimize sound transfer, and withstand Florida's heat and humidity. High-quality fiberglass doors also include foam insulation cores and weather-resistant seals, which not only reduce noise but also improve energy efficiency, keeping your home cool and quiet all year long. Installation. The key to true soundproofing: even the best noise-reducing door won't perform well without proper installation. Small gaps between the door, frame, or threshold can allow sound to leak through. Professional installers ensure a tight, secure fit and can add specialized acoustic seals, door sweeps, and automatic bottoms to eliminate gaps completely. In addition, choosing a reputable door replacement company in Fleming Island ensures that your new door meets local building standards, complements your home's design, and provides lasting performance. Quiet comfort that adds value. A quieter home isn't just more enjoyable, it's also more valuable. Sound-reducing doors improve comfort, increase privacy, and enhance your home's resale appeal. Prospective buyers appreciate upgrades that blend function with peace of mind, especially in lively communities like Fleming Island. Plus, many modern noise-reducing doors come in a range of styles, finishes, and designs, allowing you to choose a look that matches your home's aesthetic while delivering advanced performance. Experience the difference whether you're tired of outdoor commotion or simply want a more peaceful atmosphere inside. Noise-reducing door replacements offer a smart, long-term solution. They help you reclaim quiet spaces, enjoy restful nights, and focus without distraction, all while improving your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. For homeowners in busy Fleming Island neighborhoods, upgrading to noise-reducing doors isn't just an improvement, it's an investment in comfort, tranquility, and quality of life.